Hey guys, so today I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how to go over a trench. We've got a little one here just for demonstration purposes, but this will pretty much show you how to do it even if the trench was a little bigger. So what you want to do is you want to go right up to the edge, put your boom out over it, lift yourself up a little, then walk over it until you're on the other side. So see, I'm now completely over the trench. Swing over, keep walking back till you get to the edge. Put your bucket down, lift yourself up. Go right over. So it's easy as that. So obviously, if the trench is too wide, you can't do this, but this also works for smaller machines.